Mastering indirect requests. I could use some help at work. Hello there. Today we're going to dive into the world of English conversation, focusing on indirect requests. A key phrase we will be working on is, I could use some help. This phrase is often used when asking for help in a polite and direct manner. And today, we're going to see how this is used in a workplace setting. When we say, I could use some help, it's a softer, more polite way to ask for assistance. You're not directly asking someone to do something, but implying that their help would be beneficial. For example, if you're carrying a lot of files and struggling, you could say to a coworker, I could use some help with these files. It's a subtle invitation for them to offer assistance. In professional situations, this phrase can be invaluable. It's a way to ask for help without seeming too direct or demanding. Here are a few examples of how you might use it. 1. When you're overloaded with work. I could use some help with these reports. There's just too many for me to handle alone. 2. When you're facing a challenge or problem. I'm having trouble with this software. I could use some help figuring it out. 3. When you need advice or input. I could use some help with this presentation. Can you take a look and give me your thoughts? Notice how these phrases communicate a need without directly commanding someone to help you. Just as important as making a request is knowing how to respond to one. When someone says, I could use some help, they're often feeling overwhelmed or stuck. You can respond in several ways. 1. Offer assistance. Sure, I'd be happy to help with those reports. 2. Ask for clarification. What exactly are you having trouble with on the software? 3. Express willingness to assist. I'd be glad to look over your presentation and give you my thoughts. Remember, the goal is to be helpful and supportive. Well, there you have it. We've learned how to use the phrase, I could use some help, in a workplace setting, how it can be applied in different situations, and how to respond when someone uses this phrase. We hope this video has been helpful, and we encourage you to practice using this phrase in your daily conversations at work. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.